Hey, it's Mega Servo here. I'm gonna show you how to use Google Keep Notes. Just an overview. So let's get to it. So first you would go into the Play Store and you would search for Google Keep. Install. Okay, now that we've got it, click or tap or touch Keep Notes. Okay. So here's some basic tutorials. As you can see, yellow, orange, turquoise, and green. These are just help notes, so you can delete them by tapping and holding each note or a few of them, and you can delete. But for the purpose of this, I won't delete them. Okay, so you can search your notes at the top by colors, by lists, or by keywords, as you can see. What else? At the bottom, I can take a note by just tapping on that bar, and here you go, here's a note. Now, a note consists of the body and the title, so you can type a title, a note. It's always a good idea to add a title. On the right side, you can create labels. Google gives you inspiration personal work, but you can create your own labels and edit by pressing edit the labels that have been populated for you. And why are these labels useful? Well, if you start getting hundreds or thousands of notes, you want to probably, I don't know, organize them if you want. So tap and hold it and select the label and hit inspiration, for example, and out. Now you can see that yellow label, that yellow note I've added to the inspiration group. So if I tap on the left hand and hit on the inspiration label, all I'm seeing is the inspiration labeled notes. Isn't that great? Okay, I'm going back to home. Alright, so you can change the view, top right hand corner. You can see the large view. So I'm just pressing that next to that M symbol, my symbol. There's the change view. There's only two options, but this one's probably the easiest. What if I have some important notes and I want to keep them at the top? Well, it's easy. Let's say if I want to have that list, that turquoise list right at the top, I tap and hold, let go, and then press the pin. So I've just pinned that particular note right at the top. Just keep in mind, if you pin a lot, if you add a new note and you don't pin it, it'll usually go to others lower, so you have to scroll down to find the newly created note that you've made. And you can unpin by repeating that in reverse. Okay. So what else can you do? I can start a notes by just pressing the little tick box symbol at the bottom. What else? I can draw a note. So it opens up the sort of drawing tools, and I can go or a business note, whatever you want. If you have a stylus and you're using Google Keep app, it's even better. Okay, here's my smiley face. Okay, what about recording? Okay, press the little microphone at the bottom. Allow. Hello, this is a note. Okay, it's not working at the moment because I'm recording, but you get the drift. Okay, now you can add a note through pictures. You can choose an image and attach an image and put some notes in it. Title like blah 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 blah. Okay, here you go. And obviously, if you want to delete that, delete. Now, what if I want a different color? How do you change the color? That's easy. Okay. When you've tapped and held that particular note, you see the note color palette. Choose the color. Let's say I want pink, and here you go. So, what else can you do? That's about it. If you practice these things, you'll get used to it. Now, what if you accidentally delete something? Well, if you slide to the side, you can see the trash can, and you can restore the notes by tapping and restoring. Press the little time button at the top. What about archive? Okay, archive is a place where you can move notes that you don't commonly check, but you want to retain. So if I tap and hold this particular note, and I want to send it to archive, press the three dots on the top right hand corner and select archive. And if you want to undo that. What else? Some minor settings, but that's about it. Last little cool feature is if you want to set a reminder on a particular note, tap and hold it and select the bell icon at the top. You can select a place, so type in address or time. You can also repeat it. So this is great for regular reminders. Let's say I'm at work and I want to, every time I come to the workplace, it comes up with a note reminder of these are my tasks for the workday. So I'll tell you what, I've had a chance to use this from time to time for work and personal life, and it's just invaluable. And don't forget that if you add notes here, you can actually access it on your computer from the browser by typing keep.google.com and signing in with your account. So that concludes a lesson on Google Keep. So keep notes. And as you probably heard, Google is planning to move the Google Home Assistant shopping list back to Keep Notes, so you'll be able to manage things in there. Okay, Mega Servo out.